not going to be easy for me to hold the camera with one hand and vacuum, but we'll see how it goes. So here is my handle release down here, and power button. It's probably going to be very loud, but you'll get the idea. When you're done cleaning, it's really easy to take out the dirty water tank. There's a tank release lever here. You pull up. That came off real easy. And then this just pulls right out. So, yeah, pretty gross. But there you go. Show you. Before, after. Yeah, it definitely pulled a lot of dirt out. So very happy with that. That shows me it's doing its job. But I am gonna try a little experiment. I'm gonna dump this tank out, rinse it out, and I am gonna pass the rug again with this tool and see if this does pull any more dirt out of the rug. I did do the whole rug. I first ran over it with the cleaning solution in the wash mode. I ran over it again in the rinse mode twice, and then I passed it again without any rinse to pull up any residual water or liquid that was in the rug. So we're gonna do a little experiment and see how that pans out, if it pulls out more dirt. Okay, just want to show you real quick about the hose attachment. Obviously, I wouldn't be using this to clean my whole rug, but I'm going to use the rug for now, just to show you for the demonstration purposes. So this is the hose attachment that goes to the front of the machine. It's got these little clips on the top and the bottom where this little tube is connected. So it goes with the tube facing down into the port. Turn it so that it's locked into place. Now this little door I was wondering about earlier, you take, this is for the solution. So you just attach this to, you can see, there's a little port right there. So I'm going to connect it. And you can kind of feel it snap into place. And that's it. Then we're going to take the other end of the hose. This is the trigger for dispersing the solution. There is a little knob here on the hose. and a little hole that it will slide into. So it actually, I really like the way Hoover has designed their products. You really don't even need a manual for it because everything is shaped how it's supposed to go in. So we have a round edge here and then a flat edge here. We have a round edge and a flat edge. So you just line them up and it snaps in. Very easy. So I did pass the carpet a few times. I'm actually going to pass over it again just to suck some more of the water out. But since it's still pretty wet, I'm going to use this tool so you can see how well it works. I'm sure that my rug still has some more to be cleaned. We'll go ahead and turn it on and get it started. Okay, so works really good. Hopefully you could see the stream of the water and solution that was coming out from the little nozzle here. It actually sprayed it really nice. It gave a nice fan spray across this whole section. Having the brushes help to agitate and pull up some of the dirt. I see some dirt, not a whole lot, in the brush. So that tells me that I do need to go over my rug again, which I planned on doing. But it was pulling up water and dirt. What I was really surprised with is that I didn't have to work really hard. There were times I was using two hands, and that's just habit from my old machine. I really had to put a lot of pressure to get the suction right. After two passes, there was very little water being pulled up after that. So I was pretty surprised. I guess it pulled a lot from the initial pass, which means it has really good suction. So just wanted to show you real quick how to take it off. So we'll pull the little door back, and this pops right up, and this turns, and you pull it out. So really simple to use. Then you just close your little door here, and you're ready to go. All right. I just passed the entire rug after washing it with the handheld tool. So I'm gonna take a look real quick and see if it picked up anything. It looked like it did. Oh yeah. Okay. It's not as black, and I mean it's definitely dirty water, but not as much as the first pass. So, but that tells me I need to wash this rug again. So one pass was not enough, and hey, it may just be my rug. I've got 3 dogs and 2 kids, so it would not surprise me that my rug needs to be cleaned again. So I'm gonna pass it one last time, but this time using the upright, because this was a lot of work just for the big rug. Again, I wouldn't normally do it with this. There's no reason to, other than I just wanted to see what the difference was and how much it picked up. So it does pick up, it does work.